Hi and welcome to Penser Bank and our analyst presentation of Fingerprint Cards. My name is Markus Almerud and I'm an analyst here at the bank. So Fingerprint Cards is the leading producer of capacitive fingerprint sensors to mobile phones, PCs, smart locks and debit and credit cards. The investment case in short is that we believe in sharp growth ahead, driven by in particular PC and access cards, which we don't think the market gives it credit for. On top of this, we have the optionality from the payment cards, which we believe will be the next mass market for fingerprint sensors. We have a fair value range of 21 to 23 Swedish krona compared to the current share price of around 7. So the reason for talking today is to give some feedback from IDEX Capital Markets Day. IDEX is the main competitor on smart cards, and we will hence focus on the payment cards optionality today. The main message of the day was that the market is close to the point of inflection, that is when acceleration will take off. Fingerprint says that the market has taken longer to take off than they expected, but that it now progresses in line with the plan. So we believe that the biometric payment cards will be the next mass market for fingerprint sensors. The addressable market is the around 2.3 billion of contactless payment cards being shipped per year. A market that will grow about 5% per year to around 3 billion cards by 2026. And to give you an idea about the size, the mobile phone market is about 1.4 billion units, and that is including Apple. So for contactless cards, it took about 8 years to reach mass market, that is to reach about 1 billion cards. Penetration rates have since continued to grow and are currently at around 70%. Biometric cards is the natural next step of evolution, and the entire value chain with companies such as Infineon, STMicroelectronics, Thales and IDEX have invested big sums in new technology, and the banks, who are the buyers of the cards, constantly want to increase security and customer experience. One of the key arguments used against this is the growth of mobile wallets such as Apple Pay, Alipay and WeChat. We believe that even if mobile phones or mobile wallets will continue to gain shares of the payment market, payment cards will continue to be a dominant complement for the foreseeable future. So where are we in this journey? Well, first of all, the user feedback is uniformly positive. We have a total of 10 commercial launches in the market so far. At the Capital Markets Day, IDEX said that they plan for 7 launches in the second half, while Fingerprint says that they have several in the pipeline. So in other words, we are in the midst of an acceleration of launches, and put differently, we believe in positive news flow during the rest of the year and into next year. So IDEX market cap corresponds to around 3.5 krona per fingerprint share. For simplicity, if we assume that IDEX and Fingerprint will have similar shares over time of the payment market, the market value this opportunity to half of the current fingerprint value. Now, given mobile in particular, but also PC and access, we believe that the fingerprint share fails to recognize this opportunity, which we think could be substantial. So we value payment cards to 19 kronas per share, and that is with a 13% penetration rates in 2026, which would mean a slower uptake than what we saw for contactless cards. And we find this conservative. So the bottom line here is that the fingerprint share does not at all reflect that biometrics is expanding into applications outside of mobile. Thank you.